Hello and welcome to Universal Nissan, where I am more than excited to showcase to you the all-new fully electric crossover vehicle Nissan came out with. Yes, this is the 2023 Nissan Ariya in the Premiere trim level in the color Copper Akatsuki. Listen, Nissan spared nothing when they created this vehicle. As you can see, she's beautiful. But on top of that, they were able to put in a 178 kilowatt motor. What does that mean? Well, you get 238 horsepower, you get 221 pound-foot torque, which not only gives you that driving confidence, but it also gives you the performance. Plus, you get up to 304 miles driving range with a full charge, so have no fear about those little bit longer rides. They also put the lithium-ion battery. They house that under the vehicle, so that disperses the weight and gives it a great packaging, which makes your ride that much more smoother. I'm a mom, I have a 9-year-old, so safety is my #1 priority in a vehicle. Well, this does not lack that. This is equipped with the Safety Shield 360. What does that mean? That means you have your radar sensors, you have cameras, more radar sensors, more cameras on the side, more cameras in the back. This technology works together with the sonar, with the radar, and the cameras so that you don't have to fear hitting any pedestrians around you or any other vehicles, because it will alert you with that safety beep. We spoke about safety, which is really important, but let's also talk about the design for the performance. As you can see, there's that sloped front and rear glass in the back, which contributes to your aerodynamics, which gives you better efficiency and better range. To coincide with those aerodynamics, you have those really beautiful 19-inch alloy wheels, which again helps with the aerodynamics and performance. Your charging ports are protected. This vehicle is equipped with 120 volt and 240 volt charging cables. Hey, guess what? If you have to stop at a rapid charger, you can charge this vehicle from 10 to 80% in just under 40 minutes. If you're at home, plug it in less than 10 hours, relax, and you'll be ready to go in the morning as well. As we come around the side of the vehicle, you're gonna notice the really sleek design and those rounded curves, which helps with your aerodynamics and performance. You have that really easy, accessible power lift gate, and you'll see inside you have tons of cargo space, which is an added benefit of purchasing a crossover electric vehicle instead of a regular vehicle. And then let's say you're worried about the battery. Have no fear. This comes with that 8-year, 100,000 mile warranty for the battery. And okay, so you're like, how much money do I really save in fuel? Well, just to let you know, you spend just about $700 annually in charging this vehicle, and I know some of us can spend that in just 1 month of fuel prices, but I'm even more excited to show you the inside, so let's go. So here's where you're really gonna see my excitement, because I am completely obsessed with the Nissan Ariya cabin, okay? And this is a super comfortable 5-passenger vehicle. So the first thing you're probably gonna notice when you open up your door is your illuminated scuff pad. The second thing I know you're gonna notice is what? That's right. Silence. It's a completely quiet cabin, and that's one of the fruits of having an electric vehicle. The other thing you're probably going to notice is Nissan did a great job with is incorporating this beautiful geometric Kamiko pattern, which is inspired by the complexity of Japanese woodwork. Okay, so we talked about some of the beauty of the inside, but let's talk technology, because that's the world that we live in. So when you lift this up, you're going to see your wireless charging pad, which works for both Apple and Android phones, which then gives you access to wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay, so you don't get tangled in all of those cords in your cabin. Another fun feature is if you tap on this button down here, it gives you access to your dual climate controlled seats. It's hot in Florida, put on the cooler, or if you have back pain, put on that warmer. And this is all integrated in your smartphone inspired 12.3 monolith digital dual displays, which is situated in a great spot that gives you a good vision of the road and your controls, as well as easy reach. So Nissan also wanted to keep a completely sleek style throughout the cabin, and they did a great job putting those haptic buttons in your faux wood dash, which gives a completely uninterrupted style. So we talked about all the things that we know that you need. We talked about safety, which, let me mention, this also has 10 airbags throughout, and we've talked about the convenience. Let's also talk about how you can customize your cabin with some extra storage space, put your drink up there, some food for some convenience, push this back if you need more room in your cabin. This vehicle has everything that a consumer needs. I know there's other electric vehicles on the road, but I can assure you that nothing touches the Nissan Ariya, and you'll find out when you drive it.